2005 Chevy Corvette 6.0. Really beautiful car. One of my good friend's cars. He brought it by. He said, make it loud, make it proud. I said, okay, we'll make it sound good for him. So what we did on it, it's got factory converters there and there. Then the factory H-pipe there. Then it goes all the way over and back and over and under. And what we put on it is some CARVEN R's. R-Series performance mufflers. Right there. Part number CVESR 2.5 there. And there, as you guys can see, some really pretty CARVENs. And then we also put some 4-inch quad tips, black, staggered. Look at the look on it from the side. Came out really beautiful. Black to continue the blacked out look. There'll be a link in the description for them also. Came out really beautiful, really nice. And we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, there's the 2 old mufflers we cut off that we don't like because they make it too quiet. A car like this needs to be loud, not quiet. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe, because that's what keeps us going. We appreciate it. 2005 Chevy Corvette 6.0 liter. Really clean car. Only got 70,000 miles on it. And it's in mint. Anyways, what it's got on it, factory converters there and there. Then what we put on it had a factory H-pipe. Where is it? On the ground outside. We'll show it to you guys. So we replaced it with a beautiful X-pipe to reduce exhaust scavenge and just give it a little bit more deeper tone. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. And another local muffler shop in Murfreesboro did a muffler delete there and put some black tips on it. Quads right there, as you guys can see. So there'll be a link in the description for the X-pipe. And we'll see if we can find you some for the tips too. They're pretty clean looking. There's the factory H-pipe that comes on it. Right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Chevy Corvette with CARVEN R-Series. That's clean. Oh man, that's really nice actually. Again. Those black tips look so good on it. Here's sound decibels. Raise it up to 4. 106. Oh, it's got a nice idle to it too. CARVEN R's. That's me, man. I like it. It's really perfect for the type of car, you know? Go ahead. One more. Let us know in the comments. Let you hear it on the inside with the top up. And it's stick shift, guys. What do you think? Better? Again? That smells clean, man. Here's sound decibels again. Again. You can hear it not sucking in as much like that with the H-pipe. boop, boop, boop. I love the idle, man. See you, bro. Get on it. That's perfect. Carving arms. Oh, that sounds so good. Chevy Corvette.